Yeah, look, I've lost a shit ton of money trying e-commerce. I have. And I want to make this video because there's a lesson to be learned here. And I'm since being in this space for a decent amount of time, I've gotten one of the most common questions I have are people like coming up to me and saying like, Julian, how much should I start with? Is $1,000 enough? Is $2,000 enough? Is $400 enough? Whatever it may be. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe no one out here is telling you this advice, but if you're asking those questions, you've already failed. I've never in my life once started a business and thought, how much does it cost to start up? And for one reason is because I have a consistent income coming in from a part-time job. Now, yes, I've spent more money than what my job brings me. So my bank account has gone low. But I still had some money coming in. And for me, whatever the business costs, whatever information, value costs, I just pay it because you can't be scared of losing money. I've had this conversation with some of my best friends the other day, and we talked about, and one of my friends is doing very successful in another business model, but he's gone through it all as well. We talked how we both have experienced our bank accounts going up and down, and I can tell you for me personally, I started with a decent amount of money before any type of business model, went all the way down, then hit something, maybe went all the way up. And for me, my bank account kept going up and down. I would get money from for school. Like my parents put money into a fund for school, and so I would spend all my money on business, then receive money that's supposed to go to school because my bank account will go up. And I'm not joking. Like it's starts at 20K, goes down to 8K, now maybe to 15, then 8, then and then up and down. It goes up and down. And the lowest it's been was when I spent on Anthony Eclipse mentorship, brought me down to $480. Like I have screenshots, I have proof, I've showed proof before. I've had $480 in my bank account. Then I made a winner, went up to 10, went to 10 plus K. Then I got in a rut, then goes down. Then before I was in depth, I took out my Wealth Simple investments from stocks. Now I went up to 10K again. So do you understand that this is the game? This is the game. And I was telling them, like, it's funny how all the stories you hear of successful people went through this. Now, obviously, I'm sure there are some people that, are very successful and they had their steady incline up, but it's not a story, so you don't hear about it. But I don't think you need to purposely put yourself in that situation, but I think you need to get rid of this scarcity mindset. I've easily lost over $10,000 trying e-commerce. Easily. By a fucking mile. Maybe almost double. like do you understand how it's you still have to do the work no matter what. No matter your bank account's at 100, no matter your bank account's at 0. You still need to wake up with the same urgency. You need to still do what you got to do. You still need to run the same business. It does not matter. Just because you're at $0 and just because you're at 20,000 doesn't mean because you're at 20,000 you get comfortable. No. Because you have to understand, it's the ups and downs, up and down. But you got to build something that's more sustainable, more consistent. And that's the whole game I'm trying to play, right? I'm trying to build something that's more consistent, that's life-changing. No longer am I, experiencing the ups and downs and worrying about, oh fuck, I'm at 10,000, let's say, but I'm scared that's gonna go down to 0 in the next 2 months. But I think it's important that I've experienced it. And right now, look, I'm going to be honest. I'm at a down. But I've been through the ups and downs. I've been through it all. So you can see clearly, like, you can see it through yourself. I'm not even kidding. You can go back and watch the video right before I joined Anthony's Eclipse mentorship, which brought my account close to $0. You saw how stressed I was. You saw how I was freaking the fuck out. Now, I'm not saying I'm close to $0, but the ups and downs is what really, like, it's made me get rid of all my emotions attached to it. I have no emotions now. Now it's the same thing. Doesn't matter. See, I'm close to down, and look, still wake up, do the same thing. I feel the same way. I feel good. If anything, I feel very good. It's just how it is. So get rid of your scarcity mindset. If you truly believe that money, millions are going to be flowing in your future. You have this belief, you have this knowledge. You don't care right now. Now, obviously, don't go spend your money stupidly. Be smart with it. Don't be stupid. But don't have this scarcity mindset. If some business model, if some ads, or if some course or mentorship or some info online costs some money, spend it without hesitation. I even learned that, I'm young and sometimes I may want to go out and enjoy my time with my friends. I'll spend the money. Now, I don't go spend my money on things that I don't need, like, maybe nice clothes, like designer clothes, or anything that's unnecessary. But for me, I spend my money on business and experience. Those are the only two things. And every time I make a payment in my head, it's like, you know what? I accept this payment. I'm not like gonna be hurt by it. This is what it costs to live the life I want right now. So don't ever ask how much it costs. It might cost, everyone varies. One, that's one answer. But two, realistically, it's like there's no number to it. It's until it works. Stop having this fixated amount. Oh, after I spend $5,000, it's going to hit. No. And maybe it might, but like, you have to understand, maybe it might hit. Okay, fine. And now you're at from 5 to 15. But then maybe you might not hit it after, so it's like goes back to 5, maybe goes back to 0. You know what? Like you have to understand. It's just business. This is what it is. Don't be scared. You need to make money flow. That's the advice I wish I gave myself back then. Like I'm really thinking about it right now. Like the difference. I was in a very similar situation a few months ago, and look what I've learned. I've fully have taken away all my emotions and I'm no longer scared. Purely just confident. And I think this type of mindset is the difference. That's gonna, So, yeah, don't be scared. Don't be scared. If you truly believe in yourself, it does not matter to you. It does not matter. That's the thing. And not a lot of people feel like that. And I'm not trying to shit on you. Look, I hope you that I'm talking to, you understand me. But majority of people even watching this video, 90%, will go on with their day, still be scared to spend even like $5. And realistically, in my opinion, I just don't think you have it in you. This mindset is a crucial mindset. You need to make money flow. You need to make money flow, or else you won't be like the top G's like you see on YouTube, like Iman, Tate, whatever influencer you ever watch. They make money flow. When they started, they made money flow. To the 1% of you, I'll see you at the top.